Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the camera blinking issue on any iPhone. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just swipe up from the bottom center of the screen and open the recent apps section. And from here, just swipe up and remove the camera app from the recent apps section. Now, after you do that, then open settings and tap on camera. And from here, you will find the option of macro control. Now just disable this toggle to disable macro control on your iPhone. Now what this option does is that it automatically switches the camera from wide to ultra wide when you're taking a close-up photo of an object. Now sometimes this feature lags, which causes the blinking issue in the camera app. So that is why just disable this option and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now if this did not fix your issue, then swipe down and tap on record video. Now, this issue also appears when you are recording videos under certain lighting conditions. Now, to fix this issue, in record video, you will find the option of show PAL formats. Just enable it. Now, once you enable this toggle, two video recording formats will show right here. You will have the option of 1080p at 25 fps, and also you will have the option of 4K at 25 fps. Now just use any of these formats and check if this fixes your issue or not. But if this did not fix your issue, just scroll down and from here you will find the option of lock camera. Just enable this toggle. And once you enable this toggle, you will lock the camera from switching between camera lenses while you are recording videos. Also, go to your home screen and open the camera app. Now just tap on the 6 dots over here and from here you will find the option of exposure. Now, if you are facing flickering issues, just adjust the exposure according to your lighting to fix the blinking issue in the camera app. But if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the camera on your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix camera blinking issue on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.